was never one of those guys that like drew on paper and had sketch pads. I learned how to draw faces on coffee. I learned how to manipulate coffee and milk by working with coffee for over a decade. I just drew a face, and when I went to take a picture of it, a little square came over the face and said, "Who is this?" And it tried to tag it, so I knew. I was like, okay, either this is a really good coffee or this phone technology is not so good. But each one takes about 5 or 6 minutes, but it took me years to get to that point where it takes 5 or 6 minutes a piece. That coffee, that milk, those picks that I used was simply what was there. If I worked somewhere else, I might be doing art on soup. Who knows? I loved growing up, watching the Ninja Turtles. I still watch Simpsons to this day. So every time there's a video or something like this online, there's always that one commenter that's like, "Oh yeah, I bet the coffee's cold once you get it." And it's funny, ironically, I drink iced coffee most of the time.